Note: the following video depicts a specific configuration of the tablet. The same removal and replacement procedures apply to all configurations of the tablet. Before you begin, remove the back cover. Removal. Note: ensure that the battery ribbon cable is disconnected from its connector on the system board. Important: make careful note of which terminal the wireless WAN antenna cables are connected to on the wireless WAN module for later replacement. Carefully disconnect the wireless WAN antenna cables from the wireless WAN module by grasping the connectors with a small pair of needle nose pliers or tweezers. Caution: use care when disconnecting the wireless WAN antenna cables from the wireless WAN module. A damaged cable or connector can degrade tablet performance. Remove the 2mm P0 Phillips head screw that secures the wireless WAN module to the display panel assembly. Grasp the wireless WAN module by the edges and pull gently to remove it. Place the wireless WAN module in a static dissipative bag. Replacement. Grasp the wireless WAN module by the edges and remove it from the static dissipative bag. Align the notch in the wireless WAN module with the key in the wireless WAN module slot on the system board. At an angle, gently insert the wireless WAN module into its slot on the system board. Replace the 2mm P0 Phillips head screw that secures the wireless WAN module to the display panel assembly. Reconnect the wireless WAN antenna cables to the wireless WAN module. Caution: use care when connecting the wireless WAN antenna cables to the wireless WAN module. A damaged cable or connector can degrade tablet performance. Important: ensure that the wireless WAN antenna cables are properly routed through the routing channel on the display panel assembly.